Hey everyone, buckle up for another awesome video. Today, we're diving into the world of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Let's see what this tech marvel brings to the table. First off, the design. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is sleek and premium, with a massive 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display that just screams quality. It's got a 16:10 aspect ratio, which is perfect for watching movies and videos. The screen is not just big, but also bright and vibrant, with HDR10 Plus support making everything look stunning. Plus, the new anti-reflective coating is a game-changer for using it outdoors. Despite its size, the tablet is surprisingly thin and light, making it easier to handle than you'd expect. The build quality is top-notch, with an aluminum chassis that feels sturdy and durable. It's also got an IP68 rating, so it's dust and water resistant. Under the hood, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra packs a punch with the Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. This makes it one of the most powerful Android tablets out there, capable of handling anything you throw at it, from gaming to video editing. The tablet also comes with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, so you won't be running out of space anytime soon. One of the standout features is the integration of Galaxy AI tools, which enhance the overall user experience. Whether it's optimizing battery life or improving performance, these AI features are a nice touch. The S Pen is another highlight. It attaches magnetically to the back of the tablet and charges wirelessly. The S Pen is incredibly responsive, making it perfect for note-taking, drawing, or even just navigating the tablet. Samsung has also included a bunch of software features to make the most out of the S Pen, like Air Actions and handwriting recognition. For productivity, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is hard to beat. It supports Samsung DeX, which lets you use the tablet like a desktop by connecting it to a monitor. This is great for multitasking and getting work done on the go. Battery life is solid, thanks to the large 11,200 mAh battery. You can easily get through a full day of heavy use, and with fast charging support, you won't be tethered to a charger for long. The camera setup is decent for a tablet. It has a dual camera system on the back with a 13MP main sensor and a 5MP ultra-wide sensor. The front-facing camera is 8MP, which is more than enough for video calls and selfies too. While you probably won't be using this tablet as your main camera, it's nice to have decent options for when you need them. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra runs on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI on top. The software is smooth and intuitive, with plenty of customization options. Samsung has also promised longer software support, which is always a plus. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is a powerhouse of a tablet. It's got a gorgeous display, top-notch performance, and a bunch of features that make it perfect for both entertainment and productivity. It's definitely on the pricey side, but if you're looking for the best Android tablet out there, this one should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching, tech enthusiasts. If this video was your cup of tech, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join the Geek Squad! Drop a comment below and let me know if you liked it. Catch you on the flip side, techies.